Let's see what the universe has in store for you today. Desire door. You've already knocked. The invitation is open. The next move is yours. Affirm, my desire is clear and I act on it now. Hello. If you've been trying to manifest more money, more clients, successful business, greater freedom, consistent income, or your next level identity, nothing is clicking, there's a really good chance one of your manifesting frequencies is out of alignment, because manifestation isn't just about thinking positive. There are 8 manifesting frequencies that are affecting your results all the time. Your desire, your thoughts, imagination, beliefs, motion, creative attraction, inspired actions, and your manifestation result even sends a frequency. And when these frequencies are aligned, manifestation starts flowing much more naturally. But if even one of these frequencies becomes blocked, you begin to feel stuck, confused, unmotivated, overwhelmed, and maybe even emotionally disconnected from your goals. So in this new series, we're going to be breaking down the 8 manifesting frequencies one by one, and today we are starting with the first frequency, desire. In this video, we're going to talk about what the desire frequency actually is, the hidden blocks that keep people from having what they want, and how to realign your desire frequency so that manifestation can begin flowing again. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the creator of the Hypnosis app Believe, #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction, and the founder of Manifestation Mastery on School. And after helping thousands of entrepreneurs, creators, hypnotherapists, spiritual coaches, and manifestors in general reprogram their subconscious minds for over 25 years, here's something that I've noticed. When the desire frequency becomes blocked, your manifestations slow down, because desire is the energetic starting point of all creation. Desire creates the direction. And without a clear desire, your energy becomes stagnant, scattered. So have you ever felt unclear about what you really want? Be honest here. Maybe you keep changing your goals. Maybe you keep starting over. Maybe you keep second guessing yourself. Maybe you've been actually settling for less than what you truly desire. Maybe you haven't given yourself permission yet to want what you want. Let me know in the comments, because I see this happening all the time. And so there are some signs that your desire frequency may be blocked. So here are some of the signs to look for. Maybe you're constantly changing your goals, or you're focusing on more of what you don't want than what you actually do want. Maybe you feel guilty for wanting money, success, being more visible, recognized, more freedom. Maybe you are just completely suppressing your desires because you're afraid of disappointment, disappointing yourself, disappointing other people. Maybe you're just settling for, this is fine for now, this is good enough for me. Maybe you have a fear of success. Maybe you have a fear of visibility. Maybe you have a fear of becoming too powerful. Maybe you have a fear of outgrowing your current identity, or your current relationship, or your current job. Or maybe you just spent so many years just on survival mode, paying the bills, taking care of your responsibilities, just trying to keep it together, that you've completely lost touch with what actually brings you excitement. And when your desires are unclear like that, when you have conflicting desires, or when you just feel emotionally disconnected from what you're going for, then your energy becomes divided. Part of you wants to grow and have more and move forward, and another part of you holds yourself back because you have this irrational fear. And so this is why I use hypnosis to help people to break through this. Many of these blocks are sitting in your subconscious mind. As a matter of fact, most of them are. consciously you say, I want more money. I want a thriving business. I want consistent clients. I want success. I want freedom. I want confidence. I want abundance. But down deep inside, subconsciously, and this is below the surface, you can't even hear these thoughts. Subconsciously, there may be some fear attached to you wanting what you want. You might be fearing judgment, failure, having to take on more responsibility. You might actually fear success. And when it comes down to it, most people actually fear change, just change in general, whether it's a positive change or a negative change. Change can be really stressful. And so hypnosis helps you to calm down the analytical mind and your nervous system so that you can access your subconscious mind in a deeply relaxed and highly suggestible state. And now this isn't magic. This is science. This is neurology. This is in your brain. This is all of these blocks are literally stuck. You ever heard that you're stuck in a rut? Well, there's a literal rut in your brain that is causing you to keep going down the same pathway over and over and over again. This is conditioning. It's emotional repetition. You keep feeling pretty much the same vibration every day. It's a subconscious pattern. And when the subconscious mind slows down, opens up, becomes more receptive, then you're going to be able to program in new emotional associations, new beliefs, new behavior patterns. And as you listen to that hypnosis, it begins literally changing the grooves in your brain because you start imagining yourself doing things, saying things, feeling things that are different from your old patterns. So that's how it works. This isn't like some kind of magical thing you listen to and it just, changes your energy. No, it's happening inside of your brain. You are doing the work with the hypnosis to help yourself to heal from these blocks, from this stuckness. And so this is one of the reasons why hypnosis, subconscious reprogramming, emotional alignment, and the journaling work is so powerful. And we do this together inside of my Manifestation Mastery community. You listen to some, hypnosis recordings. You do that on your own. But what we also do is we do a lot of this work together as a community. Because when you're working both at the conscious level in the community, doing the accountability work and doing the subconscious work on your own simultaneously, that is where you are going to get your breakthrough. Inside my community, members start off this program on day one by watching a really informative 8-minute training video. Then you listen to a 20-minute hypnosis session, and then you start answering some questions and journaling exercises, really enlightening questions that help you to understand what has been happening all this time. And you come out of this like changed. You come out of this ready. I mean, it's like, it's not magic, okay, but you have a realization, you have an epiphany, and then you move on to the next block and the next one and the next one. You do this over a 7-day period of time, and then you're really ready to actually start the manifestation process. This is about clearing, and then you're ready to actually learn at a very, very deep level how to manifest your dreams in your life. So when your desire frequency becomes clear, your focus changes. You start like really, really getting focused. You feel better. Your emotions change. You start to make better decisions for yourself. You start to actually take action, and your vibe changes. You ever just like feel like in a really, really good mood, really good place where you could just like feel it, and you're emitting that energy, and other people are feeling you emitting that energy, that's what I'm talking about. You're literally going to start emitting more positive vibes, and people are going to feel that. And that's a little bit how the law of attraction works. You just start to see opportunities that you never noticed before, but they were actually right there all along. Everything actually starts moving in an aligned direction. And that is just on the first day, first frequency that we're going to align together. Just imagine what's going to happen when we clear all of these over 7 days. Are you able to articulate what you want quickly, easily, right off the top of your head with crystal clear clarity, exactly what you truly want right now? Go. Most people have a really hard time coming up with talking about what they want. And oftentimes it takes about 15 minutes just to have somebody explain to me what it is that they want. Trust me, and I have these calls with people all the time. What do you want? And I'm just kind of sitting there and I'll time it. And it's about 15 minutes generally to explain. And that's fine if it takes you that long to get to it, but that's not crystal clarity, I'm just saying. And that's confusion. And if you're not articulating what you want, like basically like an elevator pitch in 30 seconds, then what do you think your subconscious mind is hearing you say all day long? That is just creating more confusion for your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind doesn't know what you want. And so you're not, here's where the frequency comes in. You are not sending out a strong enough signal to the universe, to the subconscious mind, to just everywhere. You're not sending out a strong enough signal if you are not crystal clear about what you want. All right, so we've got to work this through with clearing that block and helping you through subconscious reprogramming to get clear and strengthen that signal. Okay, so I'd really love to hear your experience in the comments about your ability to articulate very crystal clearly and consistently, consistency being the key here, because a lot of times, it comes off as I want this one thing on this day, and then by the end of the week, they want something completely different. Okay, no, you've got to want this thing very clearly for a consistent period of time in order for it to actually start planting seeds and starting to take root in your subconscious mind and start growing. And without that frequency in place, then the rest of the frequencies don't really have a direction. And so that's what we need to do in day one. So that's why you need to come into my program so that you can just take an opportunity for yourself to get crystallized so you can start sending more clear direction out there, because that's what your subconscious mind responds to is crystal clarity. Not just crystal clarity enough that you actually have an emotional reaction to it, that you actually feel it, that you and that's another frequency altogether, which we're going to get to on another day. Because when your desires are confused, conflicted, suppressed, constantly changing, nothing's going to manifest. It's not just going to magically appear. You've got to be the one to state, to command your desire. All right? It's your subconscious mind. It's your mind. It's your life. So own it, command it, direct it. Otherwise your energy is divided and is going in all different places. So once again, when the desire becomes clear, manifestation just starts becoming more natural. And again, it's not because it just magically starts appearing. There's a whole process of getting these frequencies into alignment. When they're all in alignment, manifestation happens. When any one of them is out of alignment, it's going to be you're going to feel stuck, and because your thoughts, your emotions, your subconscious mind, your energy, actions, They all need to be moving together in one direction, in one frequency. So if you've been feeling stuck, don't quit on your manifestation. All right? You simply need to clear the subconscious block that is keeping you stuck. Your desire, having your desire isn't selfish. You just need to give yourself permission to want what you want today, now. If you are ready now to start clearing the subconscious manifestation blocks and aligning your manifestation frequencies, then I want to invite you to come into Manifestation Mastery today. Knock on that door and we will open it, and you can begin with the 7-day faster manifestation challenge. Why is it faster? It's faster because it was slow before. It was slowed down by your blocks. Once you get rid of the block, it speeds up. So inside, like I said, you're going to start the training with a powerful 20-minute hypnosis session. You're going to do a simple journaling exercise. You're going to begin rewiring your subconscious patterns that may be blocking your manifestation. I went ahead and put the link to the description in the description below so that you can join Manifestation Mastery. It's my spirituality community on School. We are the #1. We're a top spiritual community on School. I actually won the School Games for this exact community. There's a reason for that. It's because the people in this community absolutely love it. They love what is happening. Some of the members of my community have literally tripled their business since joining. So if you're ready to do that, if you're ready to invite more abundance in your life, if you're ready to have just a little gentle guidance to help you to remove the blocks that got stuck in your subconscious mind, wasn't your fault, but it is your responsibility to take action on removing them, then come join us. Come join Manifestation Mastery so that you can break free and live a life of peace, freedom that you desire. So go ahead and click that link in the description, join Manifestation Mastery on School, and I will see you inside. And last thing, just remember, your desires were put there for a reason. You're meant to have them. And when your subconscious mind, your emotions, your beliefs, your energy all become aligned with that desire, manifestation becomes faster, easier, and much more natural. So I look forward to seeing you inside. Bye for now.